Welcome back, everybody. I know this video is late overdue. I was busy with work, but I'm going to get right into the video. I'm going to put Tarte Shape Tape on my eyelid and rub that out. I'm going to use the Moroccan eyeshadow from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to use it as my transition shade. I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk, and I'm going to use that as a base because this is a real vivid eyeshadow look that I'm going for. So the white is going to make it pop out some more. I'm using BH Cosmetics palettes for this tutorial. I'm using Take Me to Brazil, but you can also use Take Me Back to Brazil. I have Take Me Back to Brazil, but it wasn't with me at the moment. But I'm going to take this blue and I'm going to put it in my crease. And then I'm just going to blend it with a brush that doesn't have anything on it. And then I'm going to go into that yellow and I'm going to put it in the middle of my eyelid. And again, you could really use any palette for these colors. I just like the Take Me to Brazil and the Take Me Back to Brazil because the palettes are only like $12. Putting more white on the base of my eyelid because the blue kind of got on it. And I want all of the colors to be very vivid. And then I'm putting the purple on the outer crease of my eyelid, and then I'm gonna take that hot pink and I'm gonna put it right next to the yellow, and I'm packing on the pink because I really wanted it to be vivid. And then I'm going into the other BH Cosmetics palette and I'm taking that royal blue and putting it on top of the current blue because it wasn't blue enough for me. It wasn't rich like I wanted it to be. And then I'm going to take the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in the shade Crystal Pewter. It's number 108. And then I'm going to put that in my crease. But you can use any color. I just use blue because that's the one I had. You can use pink, yellow, purple. But I really like this one. And then I'm going to put on my Eylure 126s. I love these lashes. I've been wearing these lashes since I started doing makeup. And they're only $5 at Target or about $6 at Ulta. But they're the cheapest at Target. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. primer, which really makes my skin very smooth. And then I'm going to use orange corrector for my under eyes. Skip my face routine because I do it in every video, so you can just go to any of my other videos and look for what I do. Now I'm just gonna curl my hair. And that's the finished look. If you like it, please like this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.